Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss psychology and educational psychology questions. These questions are very helpful in DSC and TRT. So let's start. Our first question is: Man is born free, but everywhere he is bound by chain. Whose statement is this? And the correct option is Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Second question: Give me a dozen healthy children. I can make them doctors, judges, beggars, and even thieves. Whose commitment is this? And the correct option is J.B. Watson. Third question: The idea of bipolar education is developed by Sir John Adam. The idea of bipolar education is developed by Sir John Adam. Fourth question: Who among the following is the proponent of the educational sociology? George Penn. George Penn is the proponent of the educational sociology. Fifth question: Who is called the father of educational psychology? E.L. Thorndike. E.L. Thorndike is called as the father of educational psychology. Question number 6. The tripolar process of education was carried out by John Dewey. The tripolar process of education was carried out by John Dewey. Question number 7. Which philosopher think that education should be based on the principle of human development? And our answer is Rousseau. Rousseau, a philosopher, thinks that education should be based on the principle of human development. Question number 8. Which philosopher formulated the rules of learning as a result of this experiment with animals at the end of the 19th century? And the correct option is Edward Thorndike. Edward Thorndike is a philosopher formulated the rules of learning as a result of his experiments with animals at the end of the 19th century. Question number 9. Academic psychology is a systemic study of intellectual development. Academic psychology is a systematic study of intellectual development. Whose statement is this? And the correct option is J.M. Stephen. J.M. Stephen. Give a statement. Academic psychology is a systematic study of intellectual development. Question number 10. Which one of the following is not a theory of associative theory of learning? Not a theory of associative theory of learning. And the correct option is theory of stimulus response. Theory of stimulus response is not a theory of associative theory of learning. Other options: theory of conditioning, theory of Gestalt, and principle of operant conditioning are a theory of associative theories of learning. Question 11. Gestalt theory postulates that elements should be grouped according to their nature. Elements should be grouped according to their nature. This is the principle of Similarity. Similarity is the principle of elements should be grouped according to their nature. This is Gestalt theory. Question 12. The father of scientific psychology is considered William Wood. William Wood is considered as the father of scientific psychology. William Wood. Question number 30. The emphasis on the study of the function and nature of neuron and mental behavior was placed in functionalism. Functionalism. The emphasis on the study of the function and nature of neuron and mental behavior was placed in functionalism. 14. The father of cognitive psychology school is considered to be Jean Piaget. Question 15. The organization of information and thought at the mental level is called schema in psychology. The organization of information and thought at the mental level is called schema in psychology. Organization of information and thought at the mental level is called schema in psychology. Question 16. The meaning of self-actualization in psychology is self-realism. Self-realization. The meaning of self-actualization in psychology is self-realization. 17. The father of psychosexuality and psychoanalysis is Sigmund Freud. The father of psychosexuality and psychoanalysis is Sigmund Freud. 18. The subject matter or event which is the origin of the behavioral response is called stimulation. The subject matter or event which is the organ of the behavioral response is called stimulation. Question 19. He considered education as the means of all-round development. Mahatma Gandhi. 20. Who has said the phrase health is life? Socrates. Socrates said the phrase health is life. 21. Who said man is a social animal? Aristotle. Aristotle said man is a social animal. Question 22. What are the synonyms of behaviorism? Pragmatism. Pragmatism is a synonym of behaviorism. 23. The psychological school with emphasis on karma rather than knowledge. The psychological school with emphasis on karma rather than knowledge is behaviorism. Behaviorism. 24. The first laboratory of psychology was established by which of the following psychologists? William Wood. The first library of psychology was established by psychologist William Wood. Psychology is considered primarily to be the study of the mind. Psychology is considered primarily to be the study of mind. Question 25. Psychology is considered primarily to be the study of mind. Thank you for watching.